When we think of volcanoes in Iceland, we usually imagine lava fountains, glowing fissures, and eruptions unfolding on land. But some of Iceland's most intriguing volcanoes lie completely hidden beneath the ocean. Since 2021, repeated eruptions on Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula have drawn global attention. These eruptions are mostly effusive, producing lava flows that advance slowly but can severely disrupt nearby communities. Scientists now understand the system in remarkable detail, from magma supply deep in the crust to eruption at the surface. But the Reykjanes Peninsula is only part of the story. The volcanically active Reykjanes Ridge continues offshore for hundreds of kilometers beneath the sea, where direct observations are far more difficult. In the summer of 2024, an international research team set out aboard the research vessel Meteor to investigate offshore volcanic systems west of Iceland. Using seismic reflection profiling, high-resolution bathymetry, and seafloor imaging, they began to look beneath the seafloor in detail. When the team analyzed seismic profiles across the Reykjanes Ridge, they saw a striking contrast. In the north, where water depths are around 300 meters, volcanic edifices showed layered, outward-dipping flanks surrounding chaotic cores. These are signatures of volcanoes built largely from fragmented volcanic material produced by explosive eruptions. Farther south, in deeper water, the picture changes. There, the volcanoes are dominated by dense lava flows, typical of effusive mid-ocean ridge volcanism. Together, these observations reveal a fundamental change in eruptive style along the ridge. The key factor is water depth. Around 300 meters, pressure is low enough for magma and seawater to interact violently, but high enough to keep the eruptions fully submarine. This creates a sweet spot for explosive volcanism hidden beneath the waves. This process is strikingly similar to the eruption that formed Surtsey in 1963. Once thought to be a rare exception, these new findings suggest that Surtsey represents the shallow end of a broader spectrum of explosive submarine volcanism. Historical accounts describe temporary volcanic islands appearing along the Reykjanes Ridge only to vanish again. Volcanoes built from loose, fragmented material are easily eroded by waves, leaving little trace above sea level. These hidden volcanoes challenge the long-held idea that mid-ocean ridges erupt quietly. Explosive volcanism may be far more common on the seafloor than we once thought, reshaping how we interpret marine sediments, volcanic hazards, and Earth's volcanic systems.